Want to make a QR code for your TikTok profile using Unicode? You're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, plus some key things to watch out for. And stick around because at the end, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial for Unicode, along with some better alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. First, head to Unicode and log in or sign up. Once inside, go to the QR code section and click Create QR Code. Select website as the QR type, since TikTok profiles are just URLs. Next, open TikTok, go to your profile, and copy your profile link. Paste that link into Unicode. Now, your QR code is technically ready, but don't click Save yet. There are a few more steps to make sure it's optimized. Unicode gives you customization options, like adding a logo, changing colors, and adjusting patterns. If you want your QR code to look more professional, you'll want to tweak these settings. But keep in mind, some of these features are locked behind a paid plan. Before finalizing, test your QR code. Use your phone's camera or a QR scanner app to make sure it properly opens your TikTok profile. If it doesn't, go back and double-check the URL. Now, one of the downsides of Unicode is that while it does offer dynamic QR codes that you can edit later, this feature is only available in paid plans. If you meet a QR code you can update without generating a new one, you'll have to upgrade. So, should you use Unicode? It's a solid option, but there are alternatives that offer more customization, better analytics, and more generous free plans. That's why we've added an exclusive extended free trial for Unicode, plus better QR code generators that are free for longer-term use. Check the first link in the description to access them.